First of all, gold daily time frame, and to understand why price made bottom at 1807, you need to understand past price action. When this drop came after FOMC in past, Fed invented transitory inflation, and since then we all know inflation is still there and it is not going anywhere. And when they find out that they have lost control on inflation, now they are changing their inflation target. And now FOMC members are repeating that thing again and again. And it is not normal thing. Their new inflation target is 3%, which is core PCE number, not CPI. So based on that 3% inflation target and current PCE number, which is near 4.7%, Fed inflation fight is already over. On this bottom, in November FOMC meeting, the music of rate hike cycle was stopped and people are still dancing on that music. From 75 to 25, their rate hike size had decreased, and now all the FOMC members this week confirmed lag effect of monetary policy. They can stop, that means rate hike pause in May or June FOMC meeting. But that will be official announcement. But clear signal from Fed will come in March FOMC meeting this month. That is your most important thing, and this is your bottom. And this bearish trend of last year, which we call Fed QT, that was based on many things. First one, rate hike, which will be stopped, that they will stop hiking in May FOMC meeting this year. Then inverse QE, and now they have said that they can change their balance sheet reduction plan. So not only they will stop hiking interest rate, but they will reduce that size of balance sheet reduction. So whole QT monetary policy will dead this year in 2023. So that is bullish for gold. That was your first bullish trend, and this is your correction, and now it is ready to make new high, and you can call it wave W, correction X, then wave Y, and target $2,100 till December FOMC meeting this year. And before we discussed all the important news this week, when price made this top at 1959, terminal rate was 4.75, that will be changed to 5.50, and rate cut was in December FOMC meeting this year. So because of that higher NFP number above 500k, terminal rate will change, no doubt, but rate cut speculation in December FOMC meeting, that will return again. And this is your time to running in front of that trend. Because if you study macroeconomics, which ordinary person never study, no matter how high NFP number come, later this year during fourth quarter, NFP number will go back below 100k, And this week on Friday you have again NFP number, and we all know this vertical drop came after NFP number. So either you sell higher NFP number or you buy 100k NFP number, which will come in fourth quarter this year. And that difference is called lag effect of monetary policy. And as I am saying since December, that your rate hike trend may stop after March FOMC meeting, and after that there will be only one thing, that is rate cut. And price has successfully tested and it is holding beautifully that 1807 support level, and next target is 1868. So there is no resistance on daily time frame before that level. And after official announcement of rate pause that will come in June FOMC meeting, gold will be trading back on 1960 level. And for more clarity, if we see that price action on lower time frame like H4 time frame, from this top 1959 to this bottom 1804, this is your wave counting, and trend has already ended with ending diagonal chart pattern. And for buy signal you can check last week video on H4. That area 1807 to 1786 is still your strong support zone, and first nearest resistance is 1862, that is your horizontal resistance and 38% retracement level of this complete bearish trend. But main resistance zone will be between 50 and 61% retracement level from 1882, that is your daily resistance, and 1900. That area is a strong resistance zone. Once price cross that area, everyone will turn bullish, because target for all the people was 1719, but price reversed before even it hit 1800 on your screen. So I am bullish on gold from 1807 daily time frame support level and target $2100. And for important news this week, first of all is interest rate decision from RBI. They will not stop the rate hike this week, but they will give clear signal. And ADP employment change, this is like mini NFP, and other job data like JOLT, they are all important this week. But you have Fed speech this week. This is most important thing, and it is before March FOMC meeting. So what they will do in March, we will get early answer this week on this speech. And most important thing this week is Bank of Canada interest rate decision. If they pause interest rate this week, then it will be beginning of rate pause cycle, and within next 3 months Fed will stop their rate hike cycle. So that is super bullish for gold. And Bank of Japan interest rate decision, they will not hike interest rate this week, but they will give crystal clear signal. And if they give signal for rate hike, then that is bullish for gold. and bearish for USD JPY pair. If that pair drop vertically, then gold will go vertically upside. Then in the this week you have NFP. While last month were 500k, that is why gold collapsed vertically. And now NFP number come 500k or 600k. Nobody care, because in fourth quarter NFP will go back below 100k, and that is your choice. You want to sell 500k NFP or you want to buy 100k NFP. And your weekly time frame this week is most important, because there is so many news this week, and you will see minimum $50 price action. And if all the news came in favor of rate pause by all the central bank, then it can also go $100 vertically to upside. And after retest of this 1807 horizontal resistance on weekly time frame, if this low 1804 survive this week, then this is your bottom, and that was your rate pause bullish trend for gold, and this is your rate cut trend for gold. And my upside target is minimum 2149, so it will not stop before that level. And fundamental reason behind is first rate cut that will happen in December this year 2023. Then your QE monetary policy next year 2024, it is coming.